Hey Dubai healthcare heroes. Dr. Ahmed here from DocRankr UAE, one of the affordable marketing agency for medical centers. Let me ask you this. Does your website get traffic but patients still aren't booking appointments? If that sounds familiar, trust me, you're not alone. Many clinics in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah spend thousands on digital marketing, yet their websites leak potential patients like a broken pipe. Today, we're going to crack the code. Why some medical websites in Dubai convert visitors into patients like magic, while others bleed visitors and opportunities. And here's the twist. It's not about budget. It's about strategy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your clinic's website into a patient converting machine. Let's dive in. Problem 1. The first mistake I see all the time is websites that sound like medical textbooks. Doctors are brilliant at their craft, but when your website speaks in heavy medical special words, it goes right over the patient's head. UAE's patients aren't Googling myocardial infarction. They're typing on Google best heart doctor near me. If your site doesn't match how patients search and speak, they'll bounce to the next clinic. The fix is simple but powerful. Speak the patient's language. Instead of gastroenterological diagnostic services, say stomach pain, get scanned today by award-winning gastroenterologists. Make it direct, relatable, and urgent. And here's something even more important for the UAE market. Offer bilingual options. 75% of patients here prefer websites in both Arabic and English. If you're only catering to one language, you're shutting the door on a massive pool of patients. Finally, your value proposition should jump out in the first 5 seconds. Something like, why 3,000 patients in Dubai trust our skin clinic. That's clear, concise, and instantly tells patients why they should stick around. Problem 2. Let's talk about trust. Before booking, patients in UAE almost always check reviews. No reviews? No testimonials? That's a huge red flag. When there's no social proof, you're basically invisible, and patients head straight to your competitor who has glowing feedback. So what can you do? Showcase real patient experiences. Video testimonials are golden, especially from familiar voices in the local or expat community. And don't forget to highlight your credentials. If you're accredited by DHA or HAD, show those badges proudly. These aren't just logos. They're trust builders that say, we're qualified, we're safe, and we're recognized. Another pro tip, highlight your doctor's expertise. Instead of just listing their names, add credibility with short bios. For example, Dr. Sarah, Harvard-trained dermatologist with 15 years of experience in Dubai. That kind of detail makes patients feel like they know the person they're about to trust with their health. Problem 3. Here's another big reason clinics lose patients online. Your site is a desert with no clear oasis. In other words, patients can't figure out what to do next. If they can't book an appointment in just 3 clicks, you've already lost them. You need strong calls to action on every page. Don't confuse patients with too many buttons. Stick to one clear action per page, like WhatsApp our dermatologist now, or book your appointment instantly. And since we're in the UAE, integrate tools that patients are already familiar with. WhatsApp booking, Tepkin integrations, and live chat with Arabic support. Patients love instant access, and your website should deliver it. Also, make sure your site is designed with mobile users in mind. More than 80% of patients in UAE book appointments on their phones. If your site isn't mobile friendly, you're leaving a lot of money and patience on the table. Problem 4. Now, let's talk speed. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, over half of your visitors will leave. Yes, even in Dubai with its blazing 5G speeds. Patients today expect instant results, and if your site drags, they're gone. How do you fix it? Start by compressing your images. Tools like Tiny PNG can reduce file sizes without hurting quality. Host your website on UAE-based servers for faster local loading. And test your site speed regularly with tools like Jeet Metrics. Remember, a fast website isn't just about user experience. Google ranks faster sites higher in search results. That means speed impacts not only patient satisfaction, but also your visibility online. So let's recap. If you want your clinic's website to actually convert visitors into patients, ditch the special words and speak your patient's language. Add trust signals with real testimonials and credentials. Plant clear calls to action on every page. And finally, Turbocharge your site speed so no patient leaves frustrated. Here's your homework. Audit your website with DocRankr today using these tips. And if you're serious about transforming your clinic's digital presence, let's connect us. Comment below with "I need website RX." and I'll send you a free checklist to get started. And don't forget, next week's video is a game changer. How one Dubai clinic got 500 new patients using Instagram. Hit subscribe, smash that notification bell, and make sure you don't miss it.